It's a robbery. I think I started the camera not earlier. Not there was 3 people coming from front on a Harley. I think Dynaglide or so is this. This is a fully covered. It's like for highway, just to go straight. And yeah, actually this is not the vehicle, but this is not made for a Harley, or the Harley is actually not made for this, but hey, respect the guys. Tiger Venture KDM or something. Stay in your lane, buddy. Especially in front of turn. Yeah, so it seems like that's all. It was not so long, this off-road stretch. There's looks like 20 hairpin turns coming up. I honestly was a bit worried if that's really off-road, because it's always a bit tricky for me. I need to practice it more. And the other question would be, how did the Harley rider did that? You look at the GPS, what is going on there, huh? So here now is this card starting turn off that. Oh yeah, it's not much straight between each turn here. Whoop. Oh, German people from Wolgast around the corner where I live. Oh. So this is here the start of... Oh, they want me to pay? Oh, okay. That's interesting. Hello. I have to pay to go up, or how is this? Yes. Oh, okay. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, it's the same way down. I thought it's but it's not. Okay. Oh, sorry. Whoop. Whoop. At €8, wow, that's not cheap. Because it's the highest pass road. Actually, it's not the pass if I have to go back the second. In Europe. I don't know, we started at around 2000 or so. So there's a biker coming. Whoop. Oh, that was... I managed that well. Oh, it is so tiring. Because of all these bumps they put you on the road. Cannot really go faster. Oh, maybe it's because of the water. The water doesn't flood the road. Also makes lots of sense, yep. Sharp turn left, GPS lady. Up. Oh, there are a few people here. Oh, this is so dusty. Oh, quite traffic here. How nice is that looking, huh? The water running down here. Cool. Nice lake, must be cold, the water. Hello. What a crossing here. Up. Yeah, that's a dream here. Riding motorcycle here. They have dedicated path for the hikers, so they are not blocking the road all the time, and we are not annoying for them all the time. That's also good. So how far is it? 11 kilometers. So I think it's more or less halfway through. Oop. That is, wow, it is so tiring. There are like a couple of handy little turns coming now, like really tight. I did already two. Another bike is coming from the front, so I'm glad they are already waiting, or was waiting when going down, because it's a bit difficult to. Oop. Yeah. Oh, okay, I think after these like 6-7 more coming of this professional, I'm a professional then. Get one coming, great. Nope. Next step is then do it faster. It's like walking speed or so, or not even. Whoop. With someone on the back, I don't know how to do that here. This guy just now, I mean, okay, I also have like 50 kilo of luggage on the back, which is equal to probably Paolo's weight. Another turn here. Whoop. So 7-8 kilometers to go. So it's 2.5 kilometers more to go, and I must say this part here, the last 2 kilometers, is Wow. Really tough. These rocks are huge on the road. Wow. And I feel so hot now. But it's still 22 degrees. I haven't seen any snow. That's 2.6 kilometers here. Oh, one more turn right here. Oh, this is so tiring. Oh, there's snow. Ah, I can see snow. Wow, lovely. Okay, still going up quite a bit. As you can see here, there's a car. Oh, and the KTM rider. I don't like this in front of me. It's so dusty. Yeah, it's so dusty. I can't really see the road here. Hello. Thanks. Wow, this is serious here. Whoopala. Don't want to destroy my tires here. One more, 1.4. Okay. So almost, there's the snow. It's blocking the target, huh? What temperature is it? 18, okay. I'm there, hey, I made it! Yay! Nice! I made it 3,009 meters above sea level. Looks like a bit on the moon here. There's still with snow. It's not that cold, it's 18, 19, 17 degrees, something like that. Oi, okay. Don't swim, but it's not, also not cold. It's refreshing probably. Yo, that's it, yeah. On top. I almost left without leaving a sticker here. You cannot do that, eh? Sticker done. Good. Okay, so I'm down here, I'm heading back. I have some really terrible news. I just had a sip of water and it's just a sip because actually the bottle was full when I left and somehow the bottom of the bottle is open. It's not the lid, it's the bottom of the bottle. And now 1 liter is in my sleeping bag. I think I need to, when I'm down and I have internet, I need to reconsider my route because I cannot go to Grenoble because I read that that's the bike stealing hotspot of France or even Europe. So if I sleep in a tent, because the bike is right next to the tents, camping grounds no problem, but hotels, the thefts are working together with the hotel, so they get notified when there's a bike on their parking, and then next day it's gone. That's why no way that I stay in a hotel in Grenoble. This is so annoying. Sleeping bag wet. Yeah, it looks like moon from here. But more traffic. Sitting sometimes is really, really nice on this. I see these bumps here. Oh my god, this is... I just arrived at this tarmac piece, back on the proper road. Oh, it feels so good. That was really exhausting, and it should not be longer than this. It's kind of my limit. 3 of these one day. Yeah, no need to make more, to do more. I do recommend this definitely to do, but it requires some stamina and practicing up front. So yeah, it's not easy though. It could also be it's just because I'm super tired. So I'll be going back into the civilization when I got proper internet and then check where to stay for tonight. That's the border to France, and they are stopping everything. It's a huge traffic jam, really long, super weird. Why do I do that? I don't know. Why do they pay something? They are paying for something there, or what? Okay, ja, bei Karte. I can't believe that I just paid 36 euro for this tunnel. Seems having this tunnel is it's a good business. Anyone interested to open a tunnel business with me? But that's of course not all, because this one is a toll road. You have to pay more money. Yeah, it's robbery. That's my opinion about that. There's no information whatsoever. Hey, you enter this road, you have to pay that money. Yeah, just a tunnel. There was no Wi-Fi, there was no aircon, it was really warm inside there. No entertainment whatsoever, it's just a tunnel. I think I won't have taken this tunnel if I knew that before. It's a long tunnel, definitely it's a very long tunnel. But I can invest 36 euro. But for example inside this one here. Not worth, I think. Nope. The price list for a truck, I think for a truck if I saw it, is 247 euro or so. Yeah. But this is really over top. This is robbery. Hey, I arrived at my hotel. Wow, that was such an amazing day. I haven't had that much fun, but it was also extremely exhausting. Yeah, hotel is nice. Unfortunately, I have to take hotel because my sleeping bag is wet. Mattress is wet, everything is wet. I need to get it first up and dry it here using a hairdryer or so. The toll for this tunnel, 36 euro 90. This is too much, and another 8 euro 90 I had to pay toll. What for? Come on. This is too much, but okay. Yeah, today is Sunday, so the shops outside in this town are closed, but there's one open. I asked, so I'm safe with food. there's anything else that I wanted to say but I forgot. Yeah, here's the hotel room. Ouch. And here's the bathroom. Looks decent. I also have a window, which is here, I think. It's a big window. Oh. Okay. That part is interesting. Yeah. Okay, that's outside here. All good. I'm very hungry now. I mean, I burned lots of energy today. It is so tiring. Okay. Anyway, I'll get the things to dry first and then head out for food.